Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope everybody is fine. I am your social studies teacher, and it's your 4th video class. In previous class, we people discussed about the relief map of the subcontinent and the meanings of the subcontinent, which first we will discuss that which chapter we people have started. We have started our geography sections chapter number 1, which is our country in the world. Our previous lecture was about the relief map of the subcontinent, and we also discussed that what is meant by the subcontinent. This is the map of the subcontinent, which means Bar Saghir in Urdu. Sub is a Latin word meaning lesser. Sub also means under or below. Subcontinent means a smaller or a lesser part of the continent Asia. Understand what is meant by the subcontinent? Subcontinent means a smaller or lesser part of continent Asia. Our today's topic is the relief map of Pakistan, in which we will discuss the height of the different areas of Pakistan and some physical features of Pakistan. Understand? Open your book, come to page number 4 of book. Here we are on the book page number 4. You can see there is a relief map on page number 4. With the help of key, we will read this map. It actually shows the height of the different areas in Pakistan. We discussed it yesterday that what is a relief map. Relief map is a kind of map which shows us the height of different areas. It also shows the lakes, rivers, etc. Understand? So this is the relief map of Pakistan. You can see there are different colors, like yesterday's relief map of the subcontinent. The height of the area is shown with the help of different colors, like starting from the lower lands with green color, which are at 100 meters, then going above with light green color 200 meters, these two yellowish colors till 500 meters, then the color becomes darker, which shows that it is becoming higher to 1000 meter. This color shows that the areas are at 2000 meter height. This color will show you that these areas are 3000 meters high, and these two color will show you that these are 5000 and above 5000 meters high areas, means these are the higher areas of Pakistan. First we will discuss some physical features, then we will come to this map, because the physical features will really help us to read it and study it. What are the physical features of Pakistan? If we talk about the northern part of Pakistan, the northern part of Pakistan are very high indeed. Usually they are covered with snow for most of the year, because the higher we go, the colder it is. मीन्स जो इलाके जितनी ऊंचाई पर होते हैं या जितनी ज़्यादा हाइट पर होते हैं, वहाँ की आबो हवा, वहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो उतना ही सर्द होता है. तो यूजुअली जो नॉर्दर्न पार्ट्स हैं पाकिस्तान के, वो बहुत हाई हैं, और हायर माउंटेन रेंजेस भी यहाँ पर हैं, जैसे कि हिंदू कुश हो गए और काराकोरम रेंजेस हो गए. यूजुअली सारा साल जो होते हैं तो इन पहाड़ों पर बर्फ़ ही रहती है, इनकी मतलब यहाँ के जो सर्द मौसम होता है उसकी वजह से. ठीक है. उसके बाद देयर आर लोअर बट वेरी ड्राई माउंटेन्स और माउंटेन रेंजेस इन द वेस्ट एंड साउथ वेस्ट इन बलोचिस्तान. इट इज़ ऑफ लिटिल यूज़ for crops farming. They are rugged mountains. They are less fertile. That's why they are no use of for crops farming. And the large parts of Pakistan are deserts. Do you know what are deserts? Deserts means Sahara, means the dry part of the land or the dry areas where the water is scarce, where the climate is very harsh. That kind of areas are known as deserts. And only about 1/3 of Pakistan's land is suitable for farming. Means only 1/3 हिस्सा जो है पाकिस्तान का वो ज़रख़ेज़ है और फार्मिंग के लिए सूटेबल है, जबकि बाकी का जो हिस्सा है, ज़्यादातर जो हिस्सा है वो माउंटेनियस रीजन्स है और ज़्यादातर हिस्सा जो है तो डेजर्ट्स है। ठीक है, यानी कि एक लार्ज पार्ट जो है वो कंट्री का डेजर्ट्स है। और फर्टाइल लैंड की अगर हम बात करें तो सिर्फ 1/3 पार्ट पाकिस्तान का जो है तो वो फार्मिंग के लिए सूटेबल है और फर्टाइल है। नाउ दिस विल हेल्प अस टू रीड द रिलीफ मैप ऑन पेज नंबर 4. नाउ कम टू योर बुक. Here we are on book page number 4. Look at this relief map. हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा दैट द नॉर्दर्न, दिस इज़ नॉर्थ. जब भी आप मैप करें, वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू रीड अ मैप, यू शुड यूज़ द डायरेक्शंस. दिस इज़ ईस्ट, दिस इज़ वेस्ट. ओके, सॉरी, दिस इज़ नॉर्थ वेस्ट, दिस इज़ वेस्ट. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा दैट द नॉर्दर्न एरियाज ऑफ पाकिस्तान आर वेरी हाई. अंडरस्टैंड? They are usually covered with snow most of the year. So you can see the color which is used here according to the key. These two colors showing that these areas are at higher ranges. These are the higher ranges like Hindu Kush ranges and Karakoram ranges. And they are 5,000 meters high and above 5,000 meters. Understand? If we talk about the lower mountain ranges which are 2,000 to 3,000 meters, so which are shown in these two colors, dark brown color and orange color, they are usually starting from the northwest and coming down to the western region. This is Balochistan and some areas of KPK and some areas of the northern part of Pakistan. They are lower mountains, but they are very little used for crops farming. Means these mountains are very little use of for farming. The land here is not really fertile, not really suitable for farming. The lower areas which are from 300 to 500 meters, they are colored with a light yellowish color. These are the regions which are quite low in the height. They are also not really fertile areas. The lower lands which are called plains, some of the areas of Punjab and Sindh and some coastal regions of Balochistan, they are quite fertile. They are plain areas and they are, we can say they are the lower lands which are 100 to 200 meters high than sea level. So this green color shows that this is a fertile, this is the fertile land and suitable for crop farming. Understand? The dotted areas, the dots shows that these are the deserts. There are total 5 deserts in Pakistan. Kharan and Cholistan deserts are located in Balochistan. Third desert is located in Sindh. Haran Desert is located in Balochistan. Thal and Cholistan deserts are located in Punjab. Thal and Cholistan, Thal, Thal and Cholistan deserts are located in Punjab. Let me clear it that Haran Desert is located in Balochistan. These are total 4 deserts, and the 5th desert is located in the northern mountains, which is tundra, or we can also say which is the cold desert of Pakistan. Understand? I hope that you understand that what are the physical features and landforms of Pakistan with the help of this relief map. Inshallah, we will discuss our next topic in our next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.